Methods to determine the scale of an aerial photograph. Broadly, there are three methods to determine the scale of an aerial photograph. Method 1. By establishing relationship between photo distance and ground distance. If the ground distances of two identifiable points are available in an aerial photograph, we can easily measure the scale of a vertical photograph. If the corresponding ground distances, dg, are known, for which we need to identify the distance on an aerial photograph, or dp, the scale of an aerial photograph can be calculated using the ratio of dp or dg. Example: the distance between 2 points on an aerial photograph is measured as 4 cm. The known distance between the same 2 points on the ground is 1 km. Determine the scale of the aerial photograph, SP. Solution: SP is equal to dp divided by dg is equal to 4 cm is to 1 km is equal to 4 cm is to 1 into 1 lakh centimeter. 1 km is equal to 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 is to 1 lakh divided by 4 is equal to 25,000 centimeter. 1 unit represents 25,000 units. Therefore, SP is equal to 1 is to 25,000. Method 2. By establishing relationship between photo distance and map distance. The distances between 2 points on the ground are not fixed, but using a reliable and authentic map for the area shown on the aerial photograph, we can determine the photo scale. The interrelation between the two distances can be measured as under. Photo scale is to map scale is equal to photo distance is to map distance, or photo scale SP is equal to photo distance dp is to map distance dm into map scale factor MSF. Example: the distance calculated between 2 points on a map is 4 cm. The corresponding distance on an aerial photograph is 20 cm. Calculate the scale of the photograph when the scale of the map is 1 is to 50,000. Solution: SP is equal to dp is to dm into MSF, or 20 cm is to 4 cm into 50,000, or 20 cm is to 2 lakh centimeter, or 1 is to 2 lakh divided by 20, which is 10,000 centimeter, or 1 unit represents 10,000 units. Therefore, SP is equal to 1 is to 10,000. Method 3. By establishing relationship between focal length f and flying height h of the aircraft. If we don't have the additional information about the relative distances on photograph and ground or map, then we can determine photo scale that provide the information about the focal length of the camera f and the flying height of the aircraft h. By determining the focal length of the camera f and the flying height of the aircraft h, we can identify the marginal information on most of the vertical photographs. The given image can be used to derive the photo scale formula in the following way. Focal length f is to flying height h is equal to photo distance dp is to ground distance dg. Example: determine the value of the scale of an aerial photograph when the flying height of the aircraft is 4,500 meter and the focal length of the camera is 15 centimeter. Solution: SP is equal to F is to H, or SP is equal to 15 centimeter is to 4,500 into 100 centimeter, or SP is equal to 1 is to 4,50,000 divided by 15. Therefore, SP is equal to 1 is to 30,000.